Well, yes, I have done a weathering tutorial before that was focused on using only the real touch marker, and it was something you'd see more on ground type units. And since a lot of MS are meant for space use, I thought I'd make one for space weathering, using more advanced techniques like Drybrushing and the Tamiya Weathering Master. For this demonstration I'll use the high-grade Guncannon Revive, a great kit by the way, and like the last video there'll be timestamps in the description. Now, I promised I would talk about other techniques, but I still can't stress enough how versatile the real touch marker is, so we'll start with that. Although if you want a more thorough explanation, you can check out my other video on that. On darker colours of plastic, you can be more liberal like how I'm doing here. You can also do chipping like shown here. This next technique will require the Tamiya Weathering Master, set B to be specific, and we'll be using the black soot powder. You want to use the brush side to dust the model with the black powder, focusing on the edges like this. Being black, on darker plastic like this, you can apply more than on a lighter colour like white. And after applying it, it can be rubbed off easily, so you should be careful while handling it. Finally, dry brushing. All you'll need for this is silver paint. I'm using Tamiya acrylic titanium silver and a brush. I've been using this brush for quite a while obviously, and it doesn't matter if it's old and kind of stiff like this one. We aren't looking for a smooth application. You can start by stirring the paint to a good consistency. Then you can just dip the brush in, part way in, and get a paper towel and wipe most of the paint off until it only leaves a little bit. Then you can simply paint all over it. Again, you should try and concentrate most of this on the edges. And you should use this sparingly, especially if you don't want your MS to look like it fought through the entire 1-year war. If it starts to run out, you can just add more paint and repeat. You should also note that silver really only works on darker colours. For lighter colours, black or grey would work better, and the process is still the same. Once you've finished the weathering, it's highly recommended to top coat the kit, especially if you like handling your kits. This will protect it and will make the plastic and the weathering just look much better. I find matte top coat looks more realistic, but I prefer semi-gloss. And now you're done. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any suggestions for any other videos you'd like to see from me, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you later, you Earthnoid scum.